kasi namatay si M69. O, pupush tayo ha. Pupush tayo, R1 na 3, 2, push. Ready, 1, up, 2, up sa brawler nyo pa tama, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up. Sige, isagad nyo, pasok, right patay, gago. Ako bahala, ire-resto ko kayo, gago. Ako, press, pipitikan ko kayo, MH, 1, up, sige, pusin nyo, papasok right, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, pumasok kayo dito, sa right, pumasok kayo. Hinga. Sige, pusin nyo. Likod, red 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, abante, next wave, 1, up.
Ajay, double. Gomods, kumato gago.
Ay, ayop kayo, 5. May hit na. 2. Up. 3. Nice one. Up. Wala pa akong MH ha. Dito lang, set lang muna. Wait lang po, guys. Yan muna, babalik naman eh. 1. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. Lumabot yung OT natin bigla. 5. 4. 3. 2, 1, tayo yung bumalik. Ay, hindi, push na. Nakatiri ko daw. 1, up.
Naglalakad.
2, up. 3, up. 4, up. Balikan nyo yung mga na-bypass nyo. 1. Kami. Okay, hitable na tayo guys ha. 3, 2, 1, tara. Push na. Ready, 1.
Wala na yung skin niya. Wala na
2, up. 3, up. 4, up. Balik. Hindi. Gago. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. Peter pa. 1, up. 2, up.
4 minutes.
Galing
Wala,
yellow.
ready.
Butang kapal niyan.
Galing Argol.
Yung
Wala,
Jen, nakikita nyo. 2, up. Peter lang. 3, up. 4, up. Isa. 1, up. 2, up. 3, up. Nice one. 4, up. Dinis pa
Nice
guys.
one, gago.
1, up. Reso lang. Wala pa rin mag-revive. 1, up. 2, up. Reso lang. Una FS guys. Una
Nice
FS.
one.
Una FS. 3. Una FS. Okay, reso.
Revive yung mga kaparte ko.